On Friday, the suspected gang member accused of organizing the murders of a Lake Wylie couple will fight to have his charges dismissed. New court documents just released the changes between his attorney and prosecutors over evidence that he says FBI agents illegally took from his jail cell. All new tonight, Eyewitness News reporter Mark Becker found out what could be at stake in this case, Mark, and why.
Jamel Curitin's attorney, Natalie, would like nothing more than to see him walk out of the jail over there with all of the charges dismissed because of what she calls an illegal search and seizure by the FBI, who she says still has some of those confidential letters. But a legal expert we spoke with today said that's not likely to happen.
Prosecutors say it was Jamel Curitin who arranged the murders of Doug and Debbie London last October from his jail cell to keep Doug London from testifying against him in a robbery case.
They know everything.
But in her latest motion, Curitin's attorney is asking for the confidential letters between she and Curitin that FBI agents had seized when they searched Curitin's jail cell back in January. And because they went too far, she says she wants a judge to dismiss all of Curitin's charges. But a legal expert we spoke with said that's not likely.
It's really not realistic to ask the charges to be dismissed.
Attorney Tony Shear says prosecutors may have sidestepped that issue when they got a team of agents who were not involved in the gang investigation to search Curitin's cell. And in an email to Chiege Aquara 2 weeks after the search, the lead prosecutor, Beth Green, said agents were specifically told not to review materials in Curitin's cell. And she said that all of the attorney-client material was removed and never reviewed by agents or by her.
What the government's talking about here is a process which is not by any means wrong on its face. They may very well be within their rights to do what they've done.
And Shear also says it's possible that a judge could come down somewhere in the middle with some kind of sanction short of dismissing those charges altogether. All of this will be hashed and rehashed again next week when it goes to a hearing in federal court. In the meantime, Jamel Curitin is still over there at the Mecklenburg County Jail. Reporting live, Mark Becker, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Mark, thanks. 11 other suspected gang members tied to the United Blood Nation were indicted last month. 6 of the suspects, including Curitin, are accused of having some role in the London's death last year. The others are accused of carrying out other violent crimes in Charlotte. You can follow our extensive coverage of this case, including the new documents just released in Curitin's fight to get his charges dismissed. Look inside Mark's story at WSOCTV.com.